Hi traders! In today's video, we're exploring the Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend Indicator, a powerful tool that adapts to market volatility using advanced machine learning techniques. We'll walk through the key features of the indicator, show you how to set it up, and demonstrate how to use it in real trading scenarios. Stick around till the end, because we'll be testing both buy and sell setups in live market conditions. What is the Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend Indicator? The Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend builds on the traditional SuperTrend, incorporating machine learning to adjust dynamically to market volatility. By using the k-means clustering algorithm, the indicator classifies market volatility into low, medium, and high levels, which helps forecast potential trend reversals and identify high-probability trade setups. Setting up the indicator on your chart is easy. Click on Indicators in TradingView. Search for Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend. Select the indicator, and it will automatically apply to your chart. That's all you need to get started. Now let's walk through some of its key features. Dynamic SuperTrend calculation adapts the SuperTrend line based on current market volatility. It automatically adjusts to reflect changes, helping you get a clearer view of trend strength and direction. Volatility classification uses machine learning to break market volatility into 3 levels: low, medium, and high. This helps you quickly see how volatile the market is and make better trading decisions. Real-time trend shifts highlight when the market moves from bullish to bearish or vice versa. The indicator uses green labels for bullish trends and red labels for bearish trends, making it easy to spot potential opportunities. Alerts for trend changes can be set to notify you when a trend shift or volatility change occurs. This way, you won't have to constantly monitor the charts and can still stay on top of key market moves. Data table display shows detailed information about the current volatility levels. You can see which cluster the market is in and how strong the volatility is, giving you a deeper understanding of market conditions. Now let's delve into the components of the Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend Indicator by adjusting the settings. In the Inputs tab, you will find various options to customize the indicator. Let's start with the ATR length setting. This allows you to define the period over which the average true range, ATR, is calculated. The ATR helps measure market volatility with the default value set at 10. Adjusting this will make the indicator more or less sensitive to market movements depending on your trading strategy. Next, we have the SuperTrend factor. This controls how far the SuperTrend line will be from the price. A higher value makes the indicator less sensitive, creating wider trend channels, while a lower value makes it more responsive to price changes. The default setting is 3, which strikes a balance between detecting long and short-term market trends. Moving on to the k-means settings, the first option is the training data length. This defines how much historical data the indicator uses to train the k-means clustering algorithm. By default, it is set to 100 periods, meaning it will analyze the last 100 data points to classify volatility levels. Then, we have the initial high volatility percentile guess, which provides the initial estimate for where high volatility starts. A value of 0.75 means the indicator will use the 75th percentile of ATR values over the training data period as the benchmark for high volatility. Similarly, the initial medium volatility percentile guess is set to 0.5, meaning the indicator will use the 50th percentile of ATR values for medium volatility. This helps the indicator accurately classify periods of moderate market activity. For low volatility, the initial low volatility percentile guess is set at 0.25. Meaning the 25th percentile of ATR values will be used as a guide to classify low volatility market conditions. Now let's look at the appearance settings, where you can customize the visual aspects of the indicator. The bullish color is set to green by default, representing upward market trends, while the bearish color is red, representing downward trends. You can adjust these colors to suit your preferences and make the chart clearer for your personal trading style. For this video, I'll mainly use the default settings, as they are well suited for most trading scenarios. However, feel free to adjust the volatility settings and appearance based on your specific strategy. Once you're done, simply click OK to apply the changes and start analyzing the trends with your customized settings. Next, we're going to explore how we can use the Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend indicator in our trade. By trade setup. The Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend indicator shows a bullish trend, and the price has just bounced off the lower boundary of the trend zone. The green triangle signals a potential buy entry, confirming a good opportunity to go long. High volatility supports this trade, suggesting the price is likely to keep rising after the bounce. The best entry point is right after the price rebounds from the lower boundary, with the green triangle confirming upward momentum. To protect the trade, the stop loss should be placed slightly below the lower boundary or the recent low. The take profit target should be set at a level where the potential reward is greater than the risk. This setup, combining the green triangle signal, support from the bounce, and high volatility, offers a solid opportunity to benefit from the continuing upward trend. Sell trade setup. The Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend indicator has identified a strong bearish trend, with the price moving downward within the red trend zone. The recent bounce from the upper boundary of the trend channel is confirmed by the red triangle, signaling a potential sell entry. The current high volatility provides further confirmation that the market is likely to continue its downward movement, making this a good opportunity to enter a short position. The ideal entry point is after the price has confirmed its bounce off the upper boundary and is moving downward. The red triangle indicator reinforces the sell signal, showing that the trend is likely to continue. To manage risk, the stop loss is placed just above the upper boundary, or the recent swing high. This protects the trade in case of a reversal or a sudden spike against the trend. The take profit target is placed at a level that offers a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. With high volatility confirming strong market activity, the price is likely to move quickly toward the take profit target, making this a solid sell setup. Now, let's apply the indicator on cryptocurrency chart. Sell trade setup. The Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend indicator is signaling a bearish trend, as indicated by the red trend zone. The price has recently bounced off the upper boundary of the trend channel, with the red triangle confirming a potential sell entry. The current high volatility level further confirms this setup, suggesting strong market movement. High volatility typically indicates larger price swings, making this a good time to capitalize on the bearish momentum. The best entry point is after the price confirms its bounce from the upper boundary and starts moving downward, with the red triangle reinforcing the continuation of the downtrend. To manage risk, the stop loss is placed just above the upper boundary or the recent swing high, protecting the trade in case of a reversal. The take profit target is set at a level that offers a favorable risk-to-reward ratio, aiming for a larger potential reward compared to the risk. With high volatility confirming strong market activity and the downward trend in place, this setup offers a solid opportunity to profit from the continuing bearish movement. Buy trade setup. The Machine Learning Adaptive SuperTrend indicator has identified a bullish trend, highlighted by the green trend zone. The price has recently bounced off the lower boundary of the trend channel, with the green triangle signaling a potential buy entry. The current high volatility level further confirms the setup, indicating that the market is experiencing significant movement, making it more likely that the price will continue its upward momentum after the bounce. The ideal entry point is when the price starts to move upward after confirming the bounce off the lower boundary. The green triangle provides additional confirmation of the upward trend, suggesting a continuation of the price increase. For risk management, The stop loss is placed just below the lower boundary or the most recent swing low. This placement helps protect the trade in case the price reverses unexpectedly. The take profit target is set at a level where the potential reward outweighs the risk, with a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. With high volatility and a confirmed bullish trend in place, this setup offers a solid opportunity to capture the upward movement while maintaining proper risk management. And that wraps up our look at the machine learning adaptive SuperTrend indicator. Make sure to adjust the settings to match your trading style, and always remember to manage your risk when trading live. Thanks for watching.